British Petroleum, the London-based energy company, near a deal with the Justice Department, according to the Wall Street Journal, as it seeks to settle criminal and civil liabilities over the 2012 Deepwater Horizon disaster.
Well, number 9, Betty, is TI. Texas Instruments shares of the global semiconductor company are trading lower in the pre-market after the company was cut to a neutral rating from an outperform over at Credit Suisse. The ratings really, the company's lowered its target to about $26 a piece in terms of the overall company. Josh.
And number 8 is Safeway. Shares of the grocery store operator are trading lower in the pre-market after announcing third quarter revenue shy of analyst estimates. The company saw earnings that came in 2 pennies above estimates and has reiterated its forecast for the year.
And at number 7 is MetroPCS, the wireless carrier, trading lower in the pre-market after being downgraded to underperform at Oppenheimer following the announcement that Sprint was holding off on a possible counterbid for the company. Oppenheimer expects Sprint to merge with MetroPCS within the next 2 years. Alex.
Coming in number 6 is Apple. The largest U.S. company has been granted a delay on a sales ban imposed in Korea on some iPhones and iPads after an August ruling that the company infringed on Samsung's patents as the two companies continue to battle it out for the $220 billion mobile market device industry.
And number 5 is Realogy, the real estate brokerage that's controlled by Apollo Group, starts trading today after it raised over $1 billion in its IPO, with shares priced at the top end of the range. The company will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker RLGY.
And at number 4, KKR, the private equity firm, along with Blackstone, Bain, and Carlyle, being accused of agreeing, as we talked about, to not compete against each other, jump each other's deals. The firms allegedly rigged bids in 19 leveraged buyouts and 8 other transactions, according to this lawsuit. Dom.
Well, Betty, number 3 is Tesla, a name we know very well here in the Loop. Elon Musk's electric car maker has received a $10 million grant from the state of California to add 500 workers and build a rechargeable SUV in that state. Tesla is providing $50.2 million for the project and adding the jobs to qualify for the grant that's funded by the vehicle registration fees, again, in the state of California. Alex.
And number 2, Hewlett Packard, the tech company's 6-year reign as the top personal computer maker has ended as Lenovo, which has made a push into the PC market, shipped more computers, and that's according to market research firm Gartner. So far this year, HP has lost over 40% of its market value. Betty.
And at number 1 is a bank that we're watching, Bank of America in particular. Brian Moynihan, the CEO of the U.S.'s second largest lender, said in an interview with Bloomberg that the bank will cut more jobs as the company works through mortgage losses and the global economic growth as it sputters. Now, the shares of Bank of America have risen over 65% so far this year. We'll be watching the earnings closely as they come up in the next few weeks.